Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on split screen and how to use it on Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on your split screen settings, so how to on split screen and how to use it. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting to on split screen. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on your Oppo phone convention tool setting guys. After on tool setting friends, you can see first is navigation. Friends, you want to set your swipe gestures, and friends, you want to set your button navigation, you can set from here. Friends, you can see screenshot. Friends, you want to on your three finger screenshot setting, so you can on from here and you can take a screenshot with your three finger and touch and hold to take three finger screenshot. Screen decoding, friends, you can see smart sidebar split screen. So split screen we will click here, you want to on, so we'll click here and this setting is off, so friends on it. So friends, now how to use split screen. Friends, open your any app. Example guys, I will on YouTube, and how to split screen. And three finger swipe here, your screen will split. And friends, second screen we can on, so guys I will on this Chrome app. So friends, you can see Chrome app, and friends we can use, and friends we can use YouTube with Chrome app. And friends, you can adjust this screen size. You want to increase your Chrome screen and you want to increase your YouTube screen, so you can increase and you can adjust. So friends, like that friends, we can use two screen, YouTube and Chrome. And friends, you want to change screen, you want to on here Play Store, so friends you can on Play Store. So friends, click on Play Store and get three finger swipe here. And then second guys, now we will on phone setting. So as you can see with Play Store friends, I can use my phone setting also. So like that guy, we can on split screen setting and we can use it on our phone device. And friends, you want to off, so friends click on your phone tool setting, and guys click on your split screen. And guys, now you can off your split screen, so your screen will not split. So like that guy, we can on and off split screen setting on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and use split screen on Oppo phone. So bye guys.